we're going to take a look at the basic terrain that Unity has. Now this is a preview mode, meaning that it's not official outside of Unity yet, so they may make changes, break things. Whenever you're using anything that's in a beta from Unity, just be aware that it's not production ready, but it is usable and you can test with it. So we want to go to Windows, and then we're just going to go down to our package manager. And in the package manager, we're just looking for terrain. So you can just type in terrain. There's going to be one that says terrain tools. So we want to download the terrain tools. If you haven't downloaded it, bottom right corner should say download. You can then click on install. When it finishes installing, it'll provide another option to download some additional files as well. Alright, so now that it's almost done. Now that it's finished off, we'll go to Download Assets, Samples from the Asset Store. And what this does, it actually allows the ability to, using this, will allow us the ability to actually have a set of stamps right here, which allows a little bit more detailed creation while we're going to work through it. So be sure to log in, add to my assets. Once you've added it to it, you can go from the store and or directly from the console right here, download it into it. So we can go to the just Windows Asset Store. I'll move this off to the side here. So you just want to type in from right here. We just want to type in that terrain tools sample. And that's going to get us our option from Unity here. And then from here, you can download it. Once it finishes downloading, then we'll install it and begin using it. Now that it's downloaded, we'll go ahead to the import and click on the import button. It's going to decompress the files, and then we'll be able to bring them into the project. So we'll have all the files selected. We'll go down to import. And then once that gets in, it'll be inside of our project over here. Alright. So now we have our samples, terrain tools, preview, and then we have our textures. We can go ahead and close the package window here. So you'll notice all the terrain different textures, meaning that these are the brushes that we'll be able to use and assign onto it while we create with. Alright, so this will get us set up, and then the next thing we'll do is walk through creating a terrain using the tools.